Looking for an AI website builder but stuck between Durable and 10web? You're not alone. Both promise to create professional sites in minutes using AI, but they're built for completely different users. I tested both platforms extensively, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs. So hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Durable is the speed champion. It generates a complete business website in 30 seconds with built-in CRM and invoicing tools. It's designed for entrepreneurs who want everything in one place without touching WordPress. 10web takes a different approach. It's a WordPress-powered platform that combines AI generation with serious customization power. You get managed hosting on Google Cloud, advanced speed optimization, and access to 60,000 plus WordPress plugins. Speed and simplicity. Durable wins on pure speed. 3 questions, 30 seconds, done. Your site includes AI-written content, professional images, and contact forms ready to go. It's genuinely the fastest path from zero to live website. 10web takes about 3 minutes but gives you more control from the start. You can either describe your business or clone an existing website's layout by just pasting its URL, a killer feature Durable doesn't offer. Customization. Here's where they split dramatically. Durable uses a simplified editor with limited templates. You can change colors, swap images, and regenerate content, but you're working within preset structures. It's intentionally constrained to keep things simple. 10web uses Elementor, one of the most powerful drag-and-drop builders available. You get pixel-perfect control, advanced animations, and a staging environment to test changes before going live. If you want design flexibility, 10web destroys Durable. Business tools. Durable includes CRM, invoicing through Stripe, and marketing automation built directly into the platform. For service businesses managing clients, this integration is incredibly valuable. 10web focuses purely on website performance, automated backups, security scanning, and achieving 90+ page speed scores. It doesn't bundle business management tools, but it makes your WordPress site faster and more secure than you could manage yourself. Pricing reality. Durable starts at $15 per month. You get the website, CRM, invoicing, and marketing tools. 10web starts cheaper at $10 per month, including hosting, SSL, and AI tools. But here's the catch. Durable's higher price includes business management features 10web doesn't offer. You're comparing apples to oranges. The real difference. Durable is a business platform that happens to include a website. 10web is a website platform that happens to be incredibly powerful. Choose Durable if you're a solo entrepreneur, consultant, or service provider who needs a site plus client management tools immediately. It's perfect for wedding planners, coaches, designers, anyone juggling websites and clients. Choose 10web if you want a professional-grade WordPress site with room to grow, need serious customization, or plan to scale your web presence. It's ideal for agencies, content creators, and businesses that prioritize performance and flexibility over all-in-one simplicity. Both are excellent just for different people. Links to both platforms are in the description below. If this comparison helped, hit like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next one.